Calculate the number of atoms per unit cell of BCC lattice or BCC structure. Body centered cube means what? Particles are at the 8 corners and one particle is at the center of the body of the cube. Okay, but what is the share of each particle? That is important. So, to calculate the number of particles per unit cell, to calculate the number of particles per unit cell, okay, we must know the share of each particles, share of or contribution, you can say. Okay, we must know the contribution of each particle per unit cell. How much it contributes? Contribution of each particle per unit cell. Lattice points are corners, face centers and body centers. Lattice points are corners, body center and face center. Okay. Lattice points of a unit cell are corners, body center and face center. These are the lattice points in a unit cell. Now, what is the contribution? Very important. A particle at the corner of unit cell, is shared between 8 other unit cells. 8 other unit cells, you see. So, a particle at the corner of the unit cell is common to 8 others. Therefore, contribution of a particle at the corner, of unit cell, is 1 by 8. So, out of 8 particles, the corner per unit cell, the contribution is 8 into 1 by 8, only 1. Secondly, a particle at the face center, is shared between 2 unit cells. Okay, therefore, contribution of a particle at the face center per unit cell is just 1 by 2, half. So, out of 6 faces, you have only 6 into half, only 3. Finally, a particle at the body center of the body of the cube, body center is not shared by anybody. It is well shielded inside. A particle at the body center is not shared between any unit cells. And therefore, contribution of a particle at the body center per unit cell is 1. Only when you know this one, you will be able to calculate. So, how many particles are per unit cell of BCC? Therefore, you can easily calculate now number of atoms per unit cell of BCC, 8 into 1 by 8, that is at the corner plus 1 at the body center. So, number of atoms per unit cell of BCC, it is represented by the symbol Z. It is, you see, 1 plus 1. So, number of particles per unit cell of BCC is 2. This is very, very important in the calculation of density of unit cells. Okay. So, we have discussed very important points of solid state. The 7 crystal system, the 14 space lattices, and the type of axial distances and axial angle, and the contribution of each particle per unit cell. Remember, the corners, the face centers, and the body centers are the lattice points. Okay, normally particles occupy here. You will be knowing more when I discuss solid state. There are some voids, empty spaces called voids. Particles may also enter into void, but they are not lattice points. There are two types of voids. One is a tetrahedral void, another is an octahedral void. In three-dimensional packing, real solids are three-dimensional objects. They have arrangements along the x-axis, along the y-axis, along the z-axis. That's why you have unit cell dimension. In addition to the lattice point, particles may occupy voids. Okay, that we will discuss in our next question under concepts and snippets. That is the most important area that you have to focus. Right? Thank you.